Lovelies, welcome back. For those of you that don't know, my name's Lori and welcome. Today we are doing a Boxycharm unboxing. Yes, I know, I'm late to this party, but I'm always late, so, you know. As you can see, I'm cutting this box open. I don't know what's in it. I haven't watched anybody else's videos on unboxing, so this is all gonna be new to me. When you open it up like that. As I said in my last couple of videos, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription. They usually give you high-end products, and I think it's around $20, $21 or something a month, depending on if you get a year or 6 months or 3 months or something like that. This was bought with my own pennies. That was not sent to me. Well, it was mailed to me, but it wasn't sent to me to review until I bought it. So now that's out of the way. We gotta put our readers on because you know I'm blind. And how cute is my scarf? I made it. So I'm kind of partial to it. This is Boxy and Chill. When you open it up, there's all the goodies. So I'm going to take everything out, and then I'm going to take this. My mother-in-law is in a dollhouse club, so I'll put this off to the side so I can give that to her, because you wouldn't believe some of the stuff that she has made. It's unreal. So any kind of foam, fabric, styrofoam, something like that, I save for her. So now, yes, I know, TMI or not on the topic or whatever. Yes, I'm drinking coffee, and yes, I'm still doing plexus. I'm still in my first week, and I've been living on 1 cup of coffee today, but today is Saturday, so I'm treating myself to 2 cups. This is my 2nd cup. Okay, let's start with the Tatcha. I don't know. I can't pronounce these names. You all know that by now. Tatcha. T-A-T-C-H-A. Tatcha. I think these were the ones. This is the company that had that primer, that elf duped or something. I don't know. But it looks, the packaging looks like that. It's just a sheet mask. It says, nourishes skin from within using this lightweight blend of rice, germ oil, vitamin E, essential fatty acids, and highly concentrated botanical oils and extracts. Each mask is designed for a maximum absorption, delivering 20 milliliters of skin-quenching serum. Okay, so we're going to try these. And if you don't follow me on Instagram or Snapchat, Facebook or Twitter, then you should, because that's where I'm going to do my update. The links are down below, but it's all LA Bailey. Spelled just like this. I'm LA Bailey on all my social medias, except I think Twitter is LA Bailey 1. LA Bailey was taken. Can you believe that? Like, there's 2 of us out there. This is, what is this? This is Bite. Amuse Bouche. This high impact lipstick is multi-dimensional shades, was handcrafted to deliver intense moisture and creamy wear. The packaging on it, just the boxing, is super cute. I know I'm going to show my age, but years ago, Fleetwood Mac did a album cover. Yes, an album cover that had that same like Rolling Stone lip thingy on it. I think it was cherry. Well, that's what it looks like. Oh, that's a pretty color. That's almost the color I have on my lips. Let's try it out. Oh, mama. Okay, I like that. That's what it looks like. It looks like a bluish purple red. I don't know, this whole statement lip thing is new to me, so I'm trying people, I'm trying. Y'all want to talk about, oh, you always do nude lips and you always do this and you always do that. I'm trying. That's why I started this YouTube channel, to get out of my comfort zone. Happens to be nude lips are my comfort zone. And that's what it looks like on your coffee cup. Okay. Next, we have Don't Despair Repair Strengthen Moisture Leave-In Mask. Super moisturizing and strengthening leave-in conditioner provides reparative benefits, and beyond its unique formulation, micro something capsules, argan oil, vitamin B, coconut, algae, and biotin. Biotin. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, it's very thick. It almost looks like a moisturizer. Smells good. It actually smells a lot like my facial moisturizer. Wow, they smell almost the same. Let's find out. Honey, can you come here for a minute? This is my husband. He's not going to go on camera, but he will smell these. Tell me if these smell the same.
I can't smell.
All that, and he can't smell. In his defense, he is getting over resistant strep throat, which is what I had, so I'm pretty sure I gave it to him. But I'm telling you, these smell exactly alike. So I'm going to try this because I really like the smell of this. So I'm going to try this. And for those wondering, after I did my giveaway in Walgreens skincare, I'm still using this. This is my second bottle. Love it. What do we have left? This is a Starlooks Aurora Ultra Glam Longwear Eye Pencil. And it doesn't say a color. Luxe Longwear Eye Pencil. Starlooks expands into a mechanical eye pencil with a launch exclusive to Boxycharm. I don't know about you, but I hate opening up eye pencils. The little plastic thing on them never cooperates with me. Never, ever, ever. So that's what I end up doing. I end up twisting and twisting and twisting until I can pull it off. This is an eye pencil? I can't even see. Here. I'll put it on my other side of my arm that's a little bit paler. And that's what it looks like. It's got some glitter and stuff in it. Looks like a lip pencil. I don't know if I would use that on my eyes. Maybe in the inner waterline. Maybe that'll work. And last we have Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3. Let's see. Dive into this vegan crease-free eyeshadow palette that features 7 highly reflective plush micro shimmers and 1 matte nude. Okay. Anybody know what the hell a micro shimmer is? The packaging is cute. That's what it looks like. It's very pretty. I will give them that. But those colors are so light. And this is the one that they're calling nude. That doesn't even show up on my pale skin. Let's see. Let's try gold. Gold? Oh, let's try the pink. Because you know how well I do with pink eyeshadows. Let's see. There's the pink, which is orange. And this is, where's the gold? There's the gold. Oh, wow. Okay. We have some pigmentation on the gold. The pink, I don't know if you can tell, in person it looks orange. I will say, from just the few swatches that I've done, the shadows are very creamy. There's two more, and I'll show you. I'm not pressing down, my skin's not moving. But that's what that looks like. I'll play with it, but there was some fallout on that darker brown color. I'll play around with it, but I'm gonna have to pull in some other palette, because even this one that they say is matte is not completely matte. It has kind of like a satin finish. Now the rest of these are all shimmers, that micro whatever shimmer. So I'm anxious to see what that's going to look like on the eyes. So I believe that's it, guys. We went through the full Boxycharm. Okay. That was one of my dogs, which by the smell of it, I made some the homemade cinnamon raisin bread, and by the smell of it, my husband is toasting some right now. And the dogs want it. So on that note, I will finish right here and tell you all that I hope you have a happy and blessed day. And I will see you next time, guys. Bye. Honey,
Sorry, I didn't know there'd be that.
you really couldn't smell this?
No. Can't smell anything.
Your nose is broken, Robert.